What if everything you see during a World Cup broadcast is only possible because of hidden camera systems most fans never even notice? When you watch a football match on TV, it feels smooth, cinematic, and perfectly controlled. Every angle is sharp, every replay is instant, and every key moment is captured without delay. But behind that flawless broadcast is a massive network of hidden cameras, production trucks, wireless systems, and technical crews working in real time. In this video, we uncover how World Cup broadcasts are powered, how hidden camera systems capture every angle of the game, and how modern production technology turns a stadium match into a global live experience for billions of viewers around the world. 1. Inside World Cup broadcast technology. A FIFA World Cup broadcast is not created by a single camera or a small team. It is a massive coordinated system involving hundreds of professionals, dozens of cameras, and advanced production infrastructure working together in real time. Every match is treated like a global live production event where nothing can be missed or delayed. These systems are designed to capture every possible moment of the game from multiple perspectives. The goal is not just to show the ball, but to tell the full story of the match. That includes player reactions, tactical movements, crowd emotions, bench behavior, and even referee communication. What most viewers don't realize is that the broadcast is built like a live cinematic operation, where every second is planned, directed, and switched instantly for global audiences. To achieve this level of precision, broadcasters use ultra-slow-motion cameras, aerial drones, spider cam systems, and pitch-side robotic cameras that move along predefined tracks. Each device is strategically placed to ensure complete coverage of critical zones such as the penalty box, midfield transitions, and goal line action. These feeds are then sent to a centralized production hub where directors instantly choose the most impactful angle for live transmission. Advanced data integration also plays a major role in modern broadcasts. Real-time player tracking, heat maps, and tactical overlays are combined with live footage to give viewers deeper analytical insight during the match. Artificial intelligence assists in selecting highlights, detecting key moments, and even generating instant replays within seconds of an event happening. Audio capture is equally sophisticated, with directional microphones placed around the stadium to isolate crowd chants, on-field communication, and ball impact sounds. This creates an immersive atmosphere that brings viewers closer to the live experience. Overall, World Cup broadcasting has evolved into a highly engineered digital storytelling system that blends technology, data, and cinematic production to deliver football in its most complete and engaging form. 2. The hidden camera network inside the stadium. Inside every World Cup stadium, there are dozens of hidden and specialized cameras positioned in strategic locations. These are not just the main broadcast cameras you see on TV. They include ultra-slow-motion cameras, tactical wide-angle cameras, goal line cameras, aerial cables, and even miniature cameras placed in unexpected positions. Each camera has a specific purpose. Some capture close-up emotional moments, while others focus on tactical formations and team structure. High-angle cameras track movement patterns across the entire pitch, allowing analysts and directors to understand how the game is unfolding strategically. This hidden network ensures that no important moment is missed. Whether it is a last-second tackle, a bench reaction, or a controversial decision, there is always a camera capturing it from multiple angles. In addition, many of these systems are synchronized with real-time replay technology, allowing directors to instantly switch perspectives and zoom into critical moments within seconds. 3. OB trucks control broadcast operations. Behind every World Cup broadcast, there is a powerful mobile production unit known as an outside broadcast, OB truck. This is where all camera feeds, audio signals, and graphics are processed in real time. Inside these trucks, directors, technical engineers, and producers sit in a highly controlled environment surrounded by screens. They monitor every camera feed at once and decide exactly what millions of viewers will see on screen. The OB truck acts like the brain of the entire broadcast system. It mixes video angles, synchronizes audio, manages replays, and ensures that the live feed is seamless. Without this control center, the broadcast would be chaotic and unstructured. Every second of what you see on TV is being actively chosen and edited inside this mobile production hub. Modern OB trucks are built with advanced fiber optic connectivity that allows ultra-low latency transmission from stadium cameras to the production desk. This ensures that even high-resolution 4K and 8K feeds are processed without delay. Multiple redundancy systems are also installed, meaning that if one signal fails, another backup instantly takes over to avoid any interruption in the live broadcast. In addition, these units are often connected to central international broadcast centers, where global networks receive the final feed and adapt it for different regions, languages, and platforms. Graphic systems inside the OB truck also generate real-time score overlays, player statistics, and sponsor integrations that appear seamlessly on screen. Some OB setups even include dedicated replay operators who isolate key moments within seconds, allowing referees, analysts, and viewers to see instant clarification of important decisions. This combination of speed, precision, and coordination makes the OB truck one of the most critical components in delivering a flawless World Cup viewing experience worldwide. 4 camera types capturing every match angle. World Cup broadcasts use a wide variety of specialized cameras that go far beyond standard broadcast equipment. Main pitch cameras provide the primary live view, while ultra-slow-motion cameras capture detailed action for replays. Tactical cameras positioned high above the stadium show full team formations and movement structures. There are also roaming cameras that follow players and coaches, capturing emotional reactions on the sidelines. Wireless handheld cameras are used for close-up storytelling moments, while fixed cameras behind the goal provide dramatic goal line perspectives. Each camera contributes a different layer to the broadcast. Together, they create a complete visual story that allows viewers to experience the match from multiple emotional and tactical viewpoints simultaneously. 5 wireless systems keeping broadcasts connected. Modern World Cup broadcasts rely heavily on advanced wireless communication systems. These systems transmit high-quality video and audio signals instantly from cameras to the OB truck without delays or interruptions. Wireless technology is especially important for roaming cameras and field-level equipment. It allows camera operators to move freely while still sending real-time footage to the production team. This flexibility is essential for capturing spontaneous moments like celebrations, injuries, or tactical instructions from coaches. These systems must remain stable, even in crowded stadium environments filled with thousands of devices and signals. Engineers constantly monitor bandwidth, signal strength, and transmission quality to ensure that the broadcast remains uninterrupted from kickoff to full time. 6. Sound engineering capturing stadium atmosphere. Audio is just as important as visuals in a World Cup broadcast. Sound engineers use highly sensitive microphones placed around the stadium to capture crowd noise, player communication, referee whistles, and even the sound of the ball being kicked. Different microphones serve different purposes. Some focus on crowd atmosphere, while others are positioned near the pitch to capture on-field communication. This layered audio design creates a realistic and immersive experience for viewers watching at home. Sound mixing in real time ensures that commentary, stadium noise, and key match sounds are balanced perfectly. The goal is to make viewers feel like they are inside the stadium, experiencing every moment as it happens. 7. Replays and instant analysis systems. One of the most powerful parts of a World Cup broadcast is the instant replay system. Every key moment is stored, analyzed, and replayed within seconds from multiple angles. Production teams can instantly switch between slow motion, zoomed-in angles, tactical views, and alternate perspectives. This allows viewers to fully understand controversial moments, goals, or tactical situations. Replay systems are also closely connected with VAR systems in some cases, ensuring that broadcast visuals align with official decisions. This combination of technology helps fans see exactly what the referees are reviewing in real time. 8. Directors control the live experience. At the center of every broadcast is the director, who makes split-second decisions about what millions of viewers see on screen. The director switches between camera feeds, selects replay angles, and coordinates with production teams to ensure the story of the match is clear and engaging. Directors must think like storytellers. They are not just showing football. They are building emotion, tension, and drama through visual choices. A close-up reaction after a missed goal, a wide shot of tactical shape, or a slow-motion replay of a controversial moment all contribute to how fans experience the match. Every broadcast decision is made in real time under extreme pressure, where timing and accuracy are everything. So there you have it, how hidden camera systems power World Cup broadcasts. From massive OB trucks and wireless networks to specialized cameras and real-time direction, every match you watch is the result of a highly coordinated global production system. These technologies ensure that fans around the world don't just watch football, they experience it from every possible angle. At the end of the day, what looks like a simple live match on screen is actually one of the most advanced real-time productions in global sports. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more football technology and World Cup explainers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.